it is no surprise that innovation always outpaces regulation.
And just before the event, I've read an article quoting the European Commissioner for Competition, Margaret Vestager, who actually said that the European Union's authority need to better understand the futuristic digital world known as the metaverse before to know how to regulate it. It became clear to me, we know that this is happening right now, but how can we impose compliance measure against technology and practices which have not yet fully emerged? So during this boardroom discussion organized with AmCham, I've had the opportunity to share with a group of CEO, board members, general managers coming from different industries, some insights on what to think about when driving a resilient business and taking advantage from the new digital transformation trends technologies. I've started to share how over the past decades, the technology has been improving processes and customer experience and user interaction, as well as how it has impacted the company, especially in dealing with this huge volume of data, which is growing exponentially every day. But the new generation of buyers and decision makers that will enter into the labor market in the coming years, especially the Generation Z, the one who was born in 1995, they represent the biggest part of the population, more than 30%. And actually, this generation has never known the life without Google, without internet, without social network. They are always connected, ultra connected. And now they are entering into a complete immersive world. This generation, as well as the next to come, Alpha, will be the new buyers, the new customer, the new person that will take the next decision in the years to come in all macro environmental factors such as political, legal, environment, etc. So I've had the opportunity then to introduce Metaverse as a new reality and an immersive digital universe where people will be able to interact, to socialize, to buy, to interact, to work, and as well as some of the use cases such as buying digital land, building a virtual house, doing some virtual shopping in a virtual mall, using virtual classroom to experience immersive learning, participating in social experience, and so on and so forth. And we have also discussed with the team on all the opportunity that it can create, as well as all the concern that will arise. Because behind any opportunity, there is always some concern or risk to consider. And speaking about metaverse, there are several. One of them, of course, which is in the mind of all the people, is the notion of reputation and identity. And how do we make sure that the people we have in front of us in the metaverse is actually the right person? We'll have to collect a new type of personal data in addition to the current personal data that we know, such as the name, the first name, the social security number. Tomorrow it will be about collecting physiological response, eyes movement, brainwave pattern. So this will create further challenge, further concern, especially in the data privacy and security. There are other challenges and concerns that we have discussed, such as time, space, law, jurisdiction, ownership, property, and a couple of others. So finally, it's helped to create a good base of discussion for the third part, which was around how the companies should prepare for the future, which strategy they need to adopt in digital transformation of the organization and digital transformation of their business processes. It has been a very great session with an active audience organized in partnership with AmCham, and I really look forward to answer to any of your questions or discuss further to this topic. See you soon.